Today we will discuss another program in Java, and the program says that write a program in Java, accept a string from the user, and display only those words starting with a vowel. Suppose my input string is the expert in anything was once a beginner. So if you check in this string, the 5 words like expert, in, anything, once, a, these 5 words are starting with a vowel. Now we have to do this program. We will open our BlueJ. Now we will create a new class today. The class name will be suppose vowel. Click, one rectangular box will be appeared. Click on that. Once you will click over there, a predefined code will become. Delete this code and write on your program. Import java.util. Semicolon. Enter. Class name you give vowel. Then again you write down public static void main string args. Fine. After that you write down scanner sc is equal to new scanner system dot in. Write down semicolon. Now declare variables string st comma st1 equal to null. Then I will declare here int le for length, I for loop variable, and I will declare one character variable y. Then I will ask from the user enter the string. For that I will write system dot out dot println enter the string. So I will write here st1 equal to sc dot next line. I will add space at last. Now what I have to do, I have to calculate the length. Le is equal to st dot, here I will take st dot length, length. This will give the length of the string, whatever I will give. Now I will use loop for I equal to 0, I less than le, I plus plus. I will extract each and every character over there. What I will write? Y equal to st dot char at I. Then I will put semicolon. Fine. Now I will check for space. If y equal to space, then I will extract the first word. For that I will write st1 equal to st dot substring of sp comma I, and here I will declare sp value equal to 0. sp equal to 0. And here I will use after that sp equal to I plus 1. Now I have, in this logic, what will happen? The st1 will hold each word when this condition will become true. So what I have to do from this, I have to check for vowel. Fine. If you want to check for only one case, you can do it over there. One more thing over there, st is equal to st dot to lower case. Whatever string you will give in uppercase or mixed case, it will convert into lower case. So what will happen? There is no need to write the 10 conditions. For A, E, I, O, U, we will check only for the lower case. So what I will write here, char y1 is equal to From each extracted word, I will extract the first letter. Character at 0. Now this extracted letter Y1, I will compare with A, E, I, O, U. If my extracted character Y1 will be equal to A, or I will copy all the 5 conditions I have to write. A, E, I, O, and U. So if any extracted word first letter is equal to A, E, I, O, U, that word we have to display. Print ln. So what will come over there? After that, we will display SB1. So this is the conditions for all. Now if you close, another if also you close, for you close, main you close, class you close. Now compile the program. If your program will have any error, we will correct it over there. Fine. Cannot file st. This variable is st. St equal to I plus 1. Fine. No syntax error. It means no syntax error means your program having no errors. Now you can execute the programs. Now you execute the program. My class name is vowel. Right click, select void main string args. Suppose my entered string is the expert in anything was once a beginner. The expert in anything was once a beginner. This string I have given. Now it will display those words which is starting with a vowel. Let's check. Fine. Now output came is some logical over there. What we have to display? st1. Y1 is equal to character at, here we will write st1. So again in this program one logical error is there. In place of where we are extending, we have written st. It is not st, it is what? st1. Again, close, run it. Again you will execute the program. The expert in anything was once a expert in anything was once a beginner. So you check, my dear students, in this string, the expert word, in word, anything word, once word, a word are starting with a vowel. So these 5 words in your output screen. So again, the question says that you have to accept a string from the user and display only those words present in the string which is starting with, you have to display only those words present in the string which is starting with a vowel. So my string is the expert in anything was once a beginner, and in this string the words expert in anything once a starting with a vowel. So this is the code for this. Just go through it properly. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Thank you.